Hey guys, my name is Rukayarsi. Welcome to my channel. So today I will show you that how I recreate this empty jar into beautiful tea kitli. Okay, so I will show you that I am using this molded clay on this watercolor bottle. You can see that how dirty it is. If you are new in my channel, so please subscribe and like. Okay, so let's get started. Here I am taking hardener of the molded clay. Next I'm taking resin base. Okay, so let me introduce you all to my pet cherry. Okay, so we have to take equal quantity of both clay and mix it well. Here I am using powder so clay will not stick on my fingers. So first we will complete cap of the bottle. Now we will make handle of the kitli. We have to stick it very careful and properly. I will give support to the clay so we will get proper shape of handle. Okay, so here I will add some more detail on the cap. Now I will leave it for few minutes. I have attached the keychain ring on the cap because I have to make keychain. Here I am using gesso for cover and proper base. Will give link on description. You can buy from there. We will leave it for dry. Here I am using fabric color. I will give link on description. I will use yellow and pink color because I want bright and soft color. Okay, so let's start. Here I wrote "Stay blessed" with white color. On the cap I added some more details. You can see it. After this I am using resin as a cover on chai kitli so our color remain as it is and it will shine. Here you can see the final result. That's how we get beautiful change of dirty bottle into beautiful tea kitli. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned. I will share you interesting painting in next video. Bye.